We are back with our have to, with basic meaning necessity and obligation, and all other meanings we have seen. Now what we have to do is we have to find out how to. I have used have to in 15 sentences, and in each sentence what would be the meaning of have to. So that's what we have to identify. Okay. So it's very simple, as you can see. You have to draw water from the well. So that is obligation, isn't it? It's obligation or necessity. And that can be obligation. That can be replaced by must. Instead of you have to, you can also say you must. You must. I may have to go just now. Probable necessity. I may have to go. Probable. Isn't it? Probable necessity. Probable. I think that is clear. Third sentence, you have to come for the party. You have to come for the party. You have to come. So that is polite insistence. Polite insistence. You cannot compel somebody to come for the party. No. Polite insistence. And then, do I have to go there? Question. Isn't it? Question. Simple, I can understand it. From the form itself we can understand. You don't have to redo the seminar. That is absence of obligation. Absence of, isn't it? Absence of obligation. Sixth one, what a terrible sound. It must be an accident. Maybe a collision between a truck and a bus. Oh, what a terrible sound. It must be an accident. So that is, oh, I have written it must be. It has to be. So that can be replaced by must also. So it has to be. It has to be an accident. So that is inferred possibility. Inference. It is inference. We will have to stay home for some more days. Obligation. To escape from COVID, we may have to stay for some more days. That is we say probable necessity or obligation. We will have to keep safe distance to save ourselves. Keep safe distance. Thus again, it is our future necessity, isn't it? We will have to stay home is future necessity. We will have to keep future necessity. You will have to help the poor. You will have to help the poor. So that is future necessity. When you get money, when you are employed, you have plenty of money and so on, you will have to. That is, part of it is not, part of our income is not ours. So it has to be shared. There's no way out. Yes. Otherwise, you will see some way to share. Something will come up, don't worry, you will have to share. Alright, then you will have to help the poor. I don't have to climb the tree, I suppose. That means absence of obligation. I don't have to climb that. He doesn't know how to climb the tree, but he says, I don't have to climb that. Or he may be a very tall person. He says, oh, without climbing the tree, I can pluck the fruits. I don't have to. Everybody will have to pay fees by tomorrow. That is obligation. Every one of you must pay fees by tomorrow. That is obligation. He doesn't have to catch flies. It seems that he has got a habit of catching flies. So somebody is telling he doesn't have to catch flies. That is negative, isn't it? And now we have got heaven will have to bless us. Heaven will have to bless us. That is necessity. Without that we cannot survive in that sense. And next is he is 80. He must be waiting for some support. Again I have written must be because it can be replaced by must be. He has to be. For same use you probably remember in must also. Yes. So he has to be. Has to be. My error. My error. There is mea culpa. It's my error. Mea culpa, mea maxima culpa. My error, my great error. That's the point. So he has to be waiting for some, and that is probable, isn't it? Infinite possibility. He is asking for food again saying, because it can be the thing is that this can be replaced by must also. So he has to be hungry. He has to be hungry. He is asking for food, so he has to be hungry. Infinite possibility. I mean, we have done all the meanings of, in this set of 50 you can see all the meanings. So, have to be is used in different contexts, with questions, with negatives, with the probable, and with the future, and what else? And polite insistence and infinite possibility. Polite insistence, very often people use this. You have to come for the party. That does not mean that it is an obligation for you, but it is a friendly request. You have to come for the party. As teacher says, no, you, yes, see, I am going to get married, a teacher says. All of you have to come for the party. That means, that is a polite insistence. It's not an order. That, I think it's clear to you. Bye. Have a nice time, enjoy your life. At the same time, I hope that you are enjoying my classes and exercises, and you should like, if you benefit out of this, you should share, you should subscribe. See, you have to subscribe. I am politely insisting, you have to subscribe to my channel, understand? And now I have also started taking lessons, CBSE, NCRT, CBSE, same I think. Lessons already I have done 3 poems, that is, one is the Lebanon top, and second is a photograph, the third is the voice of the rain, and more will be, you can expect more, provided you get benefit out of it and you like it, okay. Till then, bye, till we see again, bye, but before that, please remember, take this home, and that is, let's wash our hands and flush out Corona. So this is this week's slogan for us. Last week we had break the chain and crush Corona. So next week I will give you another one. Keep this in your mind, also tell others, and share it with all your friends, so that at least for one moment they will think about this Corona or COVID and all those things, no? Isn't it? So we shall do a small thing in our effort, maybe a very small effort, but that I think will count, and definitely it will go a long way to create COVID literacy, isn't it? That is, you are thinking about it and how to prevent it and things like that. Okay, so till we meet again, bye, have a nice time, enjoy your time, enjoy your life, and also take care of your health.